Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I'm talking about adapting things so you can make new things with them. I often buy t-shirts in the summer from the charity shop for 50p or £1, and I bleach them because I'm clumsy. I've got arthritis in my hands and I tend to spill coffee or even food on myself. Yes, I know, I need a bib. And I like to alter things as well. So like this t-shirt I bought the other week, it was like quite a bright bluey green. It was too bright for me, so I've just bleached the whole of it, so it's like a pale soft green now. What's nice about it is the hems and the sewing are stayed quite bright. This t-shirt here was green. I've bleached it, so I've tied it up with wool because I had no string left, and it's left some green stripes, and the rest of it has become like a khaki colour. So it's great if you've got clothes that you've washed and they've still got stains on because you've spilled stuff on yourself, and or just like this top behind, you just want to change the appearance of it. I also use bleaching in making cushions. I use Denim a lot because you can pick up a cheapy pair of jeans in a charity shop around £1 odd, and it's versatile fabric, it's quite robust so it lasts long, and you can do all kinds of mad stuff with it. So again, I've gone for the stripy lines look. These were my old work jeans. As you can see, there's bits of paint on them, but I don't mind because I'm trying to make loads of cushions at the moment, because when I put the house up for sale, I'm still renovating the house, and I've got loads of disparate styles in the house. Like my living room sort of like dark academia, like a library, but my kitchen is cottagey, for example. So to tie all the rooms together, I'm making all these denim cushions, so it's got like a thread, a continuity around the house. Yeah, so like I did these yesterday. I let them drip dry in the yard after rinsing them through and washing them, and today I'm just showing you what they look like. The end result is this one. It was just scrunched up into a ball and it's come out all mottly, so I like that. Another stripy one, all blotchy. I love it. One of my viewers asked, is tie-dye trendy at the moment? I was like, I've no idea. It's just something I've always done. So these is the cushions, some of the cushions I've made this year so far. This is what I call my origami cushion. So it's like little envelopes sewn up. This is the outside of the denim, and this is the reverse of the denim. So it gives a nice contrast, and I've made lots of squares. This one, I bought a pair of bleach denim jeans. I drawed with an air erasable pen a pattern, and I just backstitched the pattern all over. This one was inspired by the channel The Last Homely House, with a lovely lady called Kate, where she makes quilts for herself, for family and for charity, and I just thought, oh yeah. And these are like bits of t-shirt and tea towel as well, and the back is just plain denim. And this is my latest one. I tried to do a bleach shape heart and it come out all blobby, so I've done a back stitch pattern to show that it's meant to be a heart. One of my viewers, lovely lady Sabia Ensor, she makes lovely comments all the time, so supportive, just a really pleasant person. She said it reminds her of Monster Munch. So she's not wrong there, is she? I think she's totally right. So yeah, I just make cushions from whatever denim I can find, and the best is by using your old ones, because often these days the seams fray. So because denim's just full of elastic these days, it's not pure 100% cotton anymore. So often in charity shops, if you find old jeans, it's great because the denim's very thick and robust. So basically what I do is I tie up the denim with string. This is with wool because I had no string left. This was a day glow orangey top. I felt like a glow in the dark carrot. So So I'm bleaching that pale because I'm just like, yeah, I'm not wearing that. It is a nice top one from Marks and Spencer's that I bought for £1, but I thought no. So in the bucket I filled 2/3 of warm water. You can use cold as well, but I just find it reacts a bit quicker if the water's warmer, and half a bottle of cheapy bleach. You can pick these up anywhere, Own Bargains, 59p, Aldi, Asda, whatever supermarket. They're always less than £1. Even in your corner shop, it's less than £1. Really cheapy bleach. It's best seems to work better if it's the thick bleach. But honestly, so cheap, it's costing you the price of less than £1 to mess about with your clothing and fabrics. So I stick it in the bucket, and then I put a heavy weight on top like this big pasta bowl to keep it all submerged. And I just check on it periodically, and when I think it's faded enough, I stick it in another bucket with warm water and washing powder. If it's later in the day, I'll just leave it overnight, give it a rinse through in the sink, and then I put it out in the yard. I hang them up, as you can see, with hangers. I put them out in the yard on hangers so it can drip dry during the day. So it's a great job to do spring, summer, early autumn. And then overnight I bring it in and just let it dry in the house. And then you've got yourself some fabulous fabric to make yourself whatever you like, but it's a little bit different. And I'm just doing a cushion-a-thon. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you bleach clothes? It's great for kids' uniforms as well. Know the white shirts that they have, or your husband or a partner for work. Bleaching your shirts rather than going out and buying new ones. Save yourself some money today. It doesn't have to be brand new spanking clothes all the time, but they can look like they are. Bye for now, and hope to see you soon.